the top, and then the 80/20 is going to be towards the back, so that way it will hang completely straight. Now,
whenever I'm doing a filler or any type of an edge to edge, I always like to use my screws. I do have a tutorial on that.
The ruler itself, and I want to make sure to walk my hand with the ruler so that way I'm not holding my hand back here and the ruler is bobbing up and down and has the opportunity to go up and over the ruler. And again, I'm using the metallic thread just to kind of pop those blocks out, make it a little more fancy, add a little bit of shimmer to the quilt. Slide over, line that up. Now I have a choice here. I could go ahead and go up and down, but instead I'm just going to work my way over and just go and do my horizontal line all the way over across the quilt. Now I'm coming up to that tail where it goes out to the edge, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right up there if we want to squeeze in on that. So I'm going to go right up, touch, back, touch. Now remember, I'm going to be, I will have ditched around this bird when I finish this portion. Now I'm going to do my lock stitches right there at the edge, 2 of them. Needle up, drag my thread, go right to the outer edge of the bird, and then I'm going to relock my stitches. Okay, and now I'm going to start there and continue up. And then I'll just trim my drag thread. Now we go across the top and we will be done with our 1/2 inch in square echo. Lock it. Okay, good. Now we'll pull away. Now we've got that wonderful square in the square. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, we're going to ditch the bird and the flower. I'm going to use a straight ruler to ditch around the flower, and then I'm going to use my mini ruler with the notch to go around this curved and round flower with the leaf and the curved stem.